Welcome to our journey through the evolution of PHP, one of the most influential scripting languages in web development. PHP, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, has powered millions of websites and applications since its inception. In this video, we'll explore how PHP started as a simple tool and grew into a robust, feature-rich language that continues to shape the internet. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious about technology, understanding PHP's evolution offers valuable insights into the world of web programming. Let's begin by looking at PHP's humble beginnings and how it all started. PHP's story begins in 1994 when Rasmus Lerdorf created a set of Common Gateway Interface (CGI) binaries written in C. He originally designed these tools to track visits to his online resume. This early version was called Personal Home Page Tools. It wasn't intended to be a programming language at first, but as more people showed interest, Rasmus released the source code to the public. This allowed other developers to use and improve upon his work, setting the stage for PHP's rapid growth and transformation into a scripting language. In 1995, PHP had evolved into PHP, which stood for Personal Home Page/Forms Interpreter. This version introduced the ability to process web forms and communicate with databases, making it much more useful for dynamic websites. PHP was still relatively simple, but it laid the groundwork for future versions by allowing developers to embed code directly within HTML. This approach made web development more accessible and efficient, attracting a growing community of users and contributors. As PHP gained popularity, its open-source nature encouraged collaboration and rapid development. Developers from around the world began contributing code, fixing bugs, and adding features. This collaborative spirit helped PHP evolve quickly, and by 1997 it was being used on thousands of websites. The open-source model not only accelerated PHP's growth, but also fostered a sense of community that remains strong to this day. 1997, two developers Andy Gutmans and Zeev Saraski joined the project and completely rewrote the parser, resulting in PHP 3. This version was a significant leap forward, introducing a more powerful and extensible architecture. PHP 3 supported a wide range of databases and protocols, making it a versatile tool for web development. Its modular design allowed developers to create extensions, further expanding PHP's capabilities. The release of PHP 3 marked the beginning of PHP's rise as a mainstream scripting language. Building on the success of PHP 3, Gutmans and Saraski developed the Zend engine, which became the core of PHP 4, released in 2000. The Zend engine dramatically improved PHP's performance and reliability, making it suitable for larger, more complex web applications. PHP 4 introduced features like output buffering sessions and improved security. These enhancements helped PHP become the go-to language for dynamic websites, powering everything from small blogs to major enterprise platforms. With the release of PHP 4, the language saw explosive growth and adoption. Web hosting providers began offering PHP support by default, and popular content management systems like WordPress and Drupal started using PHP as their foundation. The language's simplicity, flexibility, and powerful features made it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. By the early 2000s, PHP was powering millions of websites, cementing its place as a cornerstone of web development. In 2004, PHP 5 was released, introducing robust support for object-oriented programming (OOP). This was a game-changer for developers, allowing them to write cleaner, more maintainable code. PHP 5 also brought improvements like the PDO extension for database access, better XML support, and enhanced error handling. These features made PHP more suitable for large-scale applications and attracted a new wave of professional developers to the language. As PHP matured, a vibrant ecosystem of frameworks and libraries emerged. Frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter made it easier to build complex applications quickly and efficiently. These tools provided structure, security, and best practices, helping developers avoid common pitfalls. The growth of the PHP ecosystem also led to a thriving community, with conferences, user groups, and online resources supporting developers at every level. PHP 5.3, released in 2009, introduced Namespaces, a feature that allowed developers to organize code more effectively and avoid naming conflicts. This update also brought late static binding, closures, and lambda functions, making PHP more powerful and flexible. These enhancements reflected PHP's ongoing commitment to modern programming practices and ensured its continued relevance in an ever-changing web landscape. Throughout its evolution, PHP has continually improved its performance and security. Updates have addressed vulnerabilities, optimized memory usage, and enhanced execution speed. These improvements have made PHP a reliable choice for mission-critical applications, from e-commerce platforms to social networks. Developers can now build secure, high-performance websites with confidence, knowing that PHP is backed by a dedicated team and a vigilant community. PHP 7, released in 2015, marked a major milestone in the language's history. It introduced the new Zend Engine 3, which delivered significant performance improvements, often doubling the speed of previous versions. PHP 7 also added scalar type declarations, return type declarations, and improved error handling. These changes made PHP faster, more robust, and better suited for modern web development needs. Subsequent releases from PHP 7.1 to 7.4 continued to refine the language. Features like nullable types, iterable and void return types, and arrow functions were introduced. These updates made PHP code more concise and expressive while maintaining backward compatibility. The steady pace of innovation ensured that PHP remained a top choice for developers seeking both power and simplicity. PHP 8, released in 2020, brought a host of modern features, including the just-in-time JIT compiler union types, attributes, and match expressions. The JIT compiler in particular offered further performance gains, making PHP even more competitive with other languages. These enhancements reflected PHP's commitment to staying at the forefront of web development technology. As cloud computing became mainstream, PHP adapted to new deployment models. Today, PHP runs seamlessly on cloud platforms, supporting containerization, serverless architectures, and scalable hosting solutions. This flexibility allows developers to build and deploy PHP applications quickly and efficiently, meeting the demands of modern businesses and users. PHP's role in powering content management systems, CMS, cannot be overstated. Platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal rely on PHP to deliver dynamic, customizable websites to millions of users. This widespread adoption has made PHP a foundational technology for bloggers, businesses, and organizations of all sizes. Commerce platforms such as Magento, WooCommerce, and PrestaShop are built on PHP, enabling businesses to create robust online stores. PHP's flexibility and scalability make it ideal for handling everything from small shops to large-scale marketplaces. Its extensive library support and integration capabilities ensure that e-commerce solutions can adapt to changing market needs. Many social networking sites, including early versions of Facebook, were built using PHP. The language's ability to handle high-traffic, dynamic content made it a natural choice for social platforms. Over time, PHP has continued to evolve to meet the demands of real-time communication, user interaction, and data management on a massive scale. PHP has become a popular choice for building APIs, enabling seamless integration between web applications, mobile apps, and third-party services. Modern PHP frameworks provide tools for creating REST-TFL APIs, handling authentication, and managing data exchange. This versatility ensures that PHP remains relevant in today's interconnected digital landscape. Security has always been a top priority for PHP's development team. Over the years, the language has introduced features and best practices to help developers write secure code. From input validation to encryption and secure session management, PHP provides the tools needed to protect applications from common threats. The community's vigilance ensures that vulnerabilities are quickly addressed. Modern PHP development emphasizes testing and quality assurance. Tools like PHPUnit make it easy to write and run automated tests, ensuring that code is reliable and maintainable. This focus on testing has helped PHP projects achieve higher standards of quality and reduce the risk of bugs and regressions in production environments. Composer, PHP's dependency manager, has revolutionized the way developers manage libraries and packages. With Composer, it's easy to include third-party code, update dependencies, and share reusable components. This tool has streamlined PHP development and fostered a culture of code sharing and collaboration. Rise of modern integrated development environments, IDEs, has made PHP development more efficient and enjoyable. Tools like PHP Storm, Visual Studio Code, and Eclipse offer features such as code completion, debugging, and version control integration. These advancements have improved productivity and made it easier for developers to write high-quality PHP code. One of PHP's greatest strengths is its vibrant and supportive community. Developers around the world contribute to documentation, forums, and open-source projects. This collective knowledge and willingness to help newcomers have made PHP accessible to people of all skill levels, ensuring its continued growth and relevance. PHP's open-source license has been a key factor in its widespread adoption. Anyone can use, modify, and distribute PHP for free, which has encouraged experimentation and innovation. The open-source model has also fostered transparency and trust, making PHP a reliable choice for organizations worldwide. PHP is often one of the first languages taught to aspiring web developers. Its straightforward syntax and gentle learning curve make it ideal for beginners. Countless tutorials, courses, and books are available, helping new programmers build their skills and confidence as they enter the world of web development. Demand for PHP developers has created a thriving freelance market. Many independent professionals build websites, plugins, and applications for clients around the world using PHP. Its popularity ensures a steady stream of opportunities for those with PHP skills, making it a valuable asset for freelancers. Large enterprises rely on PHP for mission-critical applications, from customer relationship management, CRM, systems to internal tools. PHP's scalability, security, and extensive library support make it a trusted choice for organizations that need reliable, high-performance solutions. PHP is frequently used to build backends for mobile applications. Its ability to handle API requests, manage databases, and integrate with other services makes it a strong choice for powering mobile experiences. With PHP, developers can create robust, scalable backends that support a wide range of mobile platforms. Modern PHP frameworks and libraries enable developers to build real-time applications such as chat systems and live notifications. By leveraging technologies like WebSockets, PHP can deliver instant updates and interactive experiences, keeping users engaged and informed. PHP supports internationalization and localization, allowing developers to create applications that serve users in multiple languages and regions. Built-in functions and libraries make it easy to handle translations, date formats, and cultural differences, ensuring a global reach for PHP-powered websites. Automation is a key part of modern development workflows, and PHP plays a role here as well. From automated testing to deployment scripts, PHP helps streamline repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. This focus on automation has made PHP development more efficient and reliable. PHP integrates well with DevOps tools and practices, supporting continuous integration, deployment, and monitoring. This compatibility allows teams to deliver updates faster and maintain high-quality applications. PHP's flexibility ensures that it fits seamlessly into modern DevOps pipelines. While not traditionally associated with artificial intelligence, PHP can integrate with AI services and libraries. Developers can use PHP to connect with machine learning APIs, process data, and deliver intelligent features within web applications. This adaptability keeps PHP relevant as technology evolves. PHP is also used in Internet of Things IoT projects, acting as a backend for collecting and processing data from connected devices. Its ability to handle HTTP requests and manage databases makes it a practical choice for IoT solutions, enabling real-time monitoring and control. PHP's support for open standards like JSON, XML, and SOAP ensures interoperability with other technologies. This makes it easy to integrate PHP applications with a wide range of services and platforms, promoting flexibility and future-proofing projects. Comprehensive documentation has been a hallmark of PHP's success. The official PHP manual, along with countless tutorials and guides, provides clear explanations and practical examples. This wealth of resources helps developers solve problems quickly and learn new skills efficiently. PHP's long history means that many legacy applications still run on older versions of the language. The PHP community provides tools and best practices for maintaining and upgrading legacy code, ensuring that businesses can continue to rely on their existing systems while taking advantage of new features. Looking ahead, PHP continues to evolve in response to new trends and challenges. The language's roadmap includes further performance improvements, enhanced type safety, and better support for asynchronous programming. These developments will help PHP remain a vital tool for web developers in the years to come. Synchronous programming is becoming increasingly important for building scalable, high-performance applications. PHP is embracing this trend with new libraries and extensions that enable non-blocking I/O and concurrent processing. This shift will allow developers to build faster, more responsive web applications using PHP. Sustainability is an emerging focus in software development, and PHP is no exception. Efficient code, optimized performance, and responsible resource usage are becoming priorities for PHP developers. By embracing sustainable practices, the PHP community is helping to reduce the environmental impact of web applications. Accessibility is a key consideration for modern web development. PHP provides tools and best practices for building inclusive websites that can be used by people with disabilities. By prioritizing accessibility, PHP developers ensure that the web remains open and usable for everyone. The world of PHP is always evolving, and continuous learning is essential for developers. Online courses, conferences, and community events provide opportunities to stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques. This culture of learning keeps the PHP community vibrant and innovative. Despite the emergence of new languages and frameworks, PHP remains one of the most popular choices for web development. Its combination of simplicity, power, and community support ensures that it will continue to play a central role in building the web for years to come. As we wrap up our exploration of PHP's evolution, it's clear that this language has had a profound impact on the web. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a powerhouse of web development, PHP's journey is a testament to the power of open-source collaboration and innovation. With a strong community and a commitment to progress, PHP is well positioned to meet the challenges of the future and continue shaping the digital world.